Hello friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you another way that you can use in any money here online in Nigeria, and it works for everybody, no matter the state you are, who you are, or the age you are. Anybody can come over here and make money just like the way I'm earning money here online. But there's something I want you to know, that this can't actually make you rich. Yeah, this can't actually make you rich, but metaphors can make you rich. I've been able to stabilize businesses here online, and I've been able to join metaphors, and I've been able to make money here on metaphors. As I'm talking to you right now, a few days ago I just earned $5 from metaphor, because this is the way we earn money here on metaphors. Let me show you a live proof of the $5 in my wallet. As you can see right here, I earned $5 from metaphors. If you're interested in learning more about metaphors, let me know in the comment section, and I'm gonna send you over to my WhatsApp where we teach you more about metaphors. So back to the video. So the name of those websites I've just found that is currently paying users are called pvsolar.me. So pvsolar.me is an investment platform actually, but watch this video today so that you'll be understand. Firstly, when you're registered into pvsolar.me, you'll be given a free investment plan. You're not going to put any money into it. What you just have to do is just to activate the investment, and then the investment is going to be running money for you. As you can see right now, the income I earn today is 36 naira from this investment plan. Okay, let me show you how it works. If I should go back to the investment side and click on my investment, you're going to see that I've been able to accumulate 36 naira for free, because I haven't even invested a dime into this. So I'm just checking out the website if it is free, if it is actually working. Now there are various ways that you can earn money from pvsolar.com. You can earn money by actually investing your money. So actually invest your money, you can earn money from here, and also you can still earn money by inviting new users. Now let us check, if you're inviting users, what do you tend to get? Okay, so let me click on my team. You earn money from your team. Like now, if I refer you into pvsolar.com, I'm growing my team, and every day a reasonable amount of money is coming up. As you're investing your money, little amount of your money will be going over to my account. That's why here on pvsolar.com we have level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, and level 5, and you have to build a strong team if you want to make money here online. I'm going to be leaving a link down to pvsolar.me where you'll be free to register for free and also start earning from this platform. Right now, I'm just going to click here to copy my link. Actually, it's an investment platform. So once you come here over here to pvsolar.me, what you have to do is just to purchase their free plan to test the website if it is working already. So I've already copied my link, and I'm going to leave it in the video description. So if you're interested in joining pvsolar.me, just click on the link to come over here and register. I'll see make more videos about pvsolar.me in my future videos, so stay tuned and also subscribe. I don't know if this is actually working. That's why I will advise you that you shouldn't invest yet. You should go for their free plan, and then if you're able to withdraw from their free plan, then you should start investing into this website. But I also say that this can't make you rich, but metaphors can make you rich. That's why if you're interested in learning more about metaphors, let me know down there in the comment section, and I'm going to send you over to my WhatsApp where I teach you how to make money on metaphors and how I have been able to stabilize businesses here online for the benefits of everybody. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you up in my next video.